Researching the market for a 2007 Mazda CX-7.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, a CD stacker, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.